In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text on LinkedIn. This is a fantastic way to make your posts stand out and capture the attention of your audience. To get started, let's head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, your next step is to create a new post. You can do this by clicking on the Start a Post option. Doing this will open the text editor where you can draft your message. Now go ahead and type out the message that you want to share with your network. As you write, think about sections of your text that you'd like to emphasize using bold formatting so that it draws the reader's eyes to key points. Once you've typed out your message, you'll need to highlight the specific words or phrases you want to make bold. This will allow you to focus on those important parts without changing the entire message. Next, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to google.com. From the Google homepage, find the Google Apps button, which looks like a little grid of dots. Click on this icon and a menu will appear. In this menu, look for Google Docs. Click on it and you'll be directed to the Google Docs homepage. Here, you'll want to create a new document, so click on Blank Document to open a fresh page. With your new document open, go back to your LinkedIn tab and copy the text that you've highlighted. Then, switch to the Google Docs tab and paste this text into your blank document. Once it's pasted, highlight the text one more time. To bold this text, you can either press Ctrl+B on your keyboard, which is a quick shortcut, or you can click on the bold icon located in the toolbar at the top of the page. Now that your text is bold, it's time to bring it back to LinkedIn. Copy the newly bolded text from Google Docs. Return to your LinkedIn tab where your post draft is waiting. Carefully place your cursor where you want the bold text to appear and paste it into your post. And there you have it. You've now got a bolded text in your LinkedIn post, making it stand out and more eye-catching to those who see it. Use this technique to enhance your posts, emphasize important points, and improve engagement with your network. Thanks for tuning in, and happy posting.